Good morning. It is Thursday and I am just getting ready to head out. Erica is in town and I'm gonna go meet her at the train station in Old Town and we're gonna go have lunch. But it's raining like crazy, so I'm gonna wear this hat and a flannel and I'm trying to figure out a jacket right now. My hair like already just won't stay cute, so I don't know. Here's my outfit of the day. I think this hat is from Forever 21. Plaid shirt is from Old Navy. Jeans are Hollister. And my favorite new Tommy Hilfiger shorty short rain boots. I love them. And my purse is from Forever 21. I should probably grab a jacket, but I don't know what to do. Which one? I don't think I even like brought an actual like rain jacket from my parents. So we will see. I think Bae has an umbrella in the closet, thank goodness. But yeah. So I just got to Old Town and I'm a couple minutes early and I want to go and meet Erica when she gets off the train, but it is really raining and I don't want to stand in the rain. But it's like a couple minutes walk. I have to like cross the street from where I can park and like, oh my god.
Turn it up in a hot box. Light it up in a hot box. Throw it up in a hot box. Let's in a hot box. Up on my pussy down the right. Up on my pussy down the right. Yeah, on my neck down the right. Up on my pussy down the right.
Took it to the East Coast where Brooklyn at. And we chillin' on the West where Oakland at. Young be riding and we smoking that. Anywhere that we feel, bro, we holding that. Can't sit still, bro, yeah, we rolling that. Ooh, running, I'm down for a real one. Foggy from the window to the wall to the ceiling. No, I'm a size, but I'm about to make a killing. Stay mobbing, is you with it? You talk it, bro, but we live it. Girlfriend wanna visit. Pop her toes up when I lit it.
Turn it up in a hot box. Turn it up, turn it up.
Okay, say hi. So Erica and I have been catching up all afternoon and we had, you know, some drinks at Cafe Coyote and then we shopped a little bit. And it's, even though it's raining out, it's like pretty nice. No more margaritas for you. We went in a store that has all these like crazy sodas, so we're gonna go home and try them all.
Bacon soda for me because I'm not vegan. I'm carnivorous AF.
AF. So what do you think about my house?
Favorite part, third favorite is our new Buddha edition.
And then popcorn and a mango-rita because I'm such a great hostess.
She is.
Here's my new Buddha that I brought home from Old Town today. He looks stoked. Peace, dude. So we're trying to film this video like before we lose the light. And I put sodas in the freezer, and I'm really scared that we're gonna forget about them. We're filming. Oh!
Here's where your head is.
You're like, yeah.
Is my hand in it?
Yeah, that's perfect then. Okay.
Cock and ball. Okay,
This
palate cleanser.
Mangarita.
It's a bit happy.
Contains no fruit juice.
Does it really say that? Oh my god.
Well, I don't think we were expecting it to be healthy.
Drink swamp pop.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you go first.
Palate cleanser.
Mango for orange.
Get hammered and sickled.
We're the repressed Communist Party animal who is really a proletarian in denial masquerading as a bourgeois Cold Warmonger.
It's a lot of words.
That is a lot of words. Okay, so she said this is gonna be like grapefruit flavored.
That's what she said.
That's what she said,
That's what she said.
It doesn't. But have you tasted it?
All the time.
All the time. She's a prickly pear professional. Flowers.
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 Yes, cock and bull.
I think this is gonna be my favorite.
Whoa, flavor. Zippy, zingy, cherry rich, gingery crisp.
Try it, pal. Try it, pal.
As
Like, have you
a
had a
basic
mule?
bitch, I may not.
As a what?
Basic bitch. By itself. 6 just because it's letting me down and I'm not getting drunk off of it.
I think everything that doesn't get you drunk lets you down.
Probably so. As the vodka because she got trapped in. Oh, stop it.
Hashtag feathers because art. You're Snapchatting.
Duh.
Yes. The outro.
The outro?
Just sit here and smile. Cheers. I just spilled all over myself.
Oh, there's a camera.
You guys are embarrassing me. Okay. Cheers.
This is probably a terrible contingency plan, but you know, we might need it.
Oh God. No.
It's a contingency
No.
plan.
No.
Look, they don't have to be full shots. They'll just be little baby ones. But you know, when we run out of drink, we got drink.
Jack's idea.
For all the way or whatever. Anyway, filled out the application, was really stoked. I heard back like a couple days later, I think.
We can't do this. We're not gonna make it, guys. We're going to die.
Okay, and like there was a girl by the cash register, and she was like, I don't.
You're the one that grabbed the freaking fireball.
I was ready to go. Now I'm demoralized. So, what is this?
What is what?
Nothing. Just because the dude got caught masturbating in public doesn't mean we shouldn't
Is
stop.
that what
filming.
happened?
Bye, world.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jack Malone.
More now, probably. But
So,
it
like-
wasn't the right job for me. And she never
Do you see this chair? Do you see this chair?
Do you see it?
all day.
Did we finish?
One day only.
What was it
It
like?
was like high school.
It was like-
It was.
This is the worst game I've ever played.
Done. Done.
I'm gonna go, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time on my YouTube channel, Holeh Pocket. Cut! That's where you make the cut, right there. That's where the cut goes, alright?
But what pattern are the socks?
Hold on, I can't get a clear middle center pattern. Let me see here. Right here. Is this a pattern?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we got top part. I think it's an animal. And I feel like this is a horn.
What animal do you think it is?
I think it's either a unicorn or a narwhal. But I feel like that's completely off. I feel like it's not an animal. Hot sauce.
Babe. Do you like them?
I like them a lot, babe. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I found $20.
Fishies! Rolling hundreds. Wait.
Turn it up in a hot box. Light it up in a hot box.
Want to see my other smash spinnies?
Yes.
Branson Landing in Branson, Missouri. I petted stingrays at World Aquarium, City Museum, St. Louis, San Diego Zoo, Human Adventure at the St. Louis Science Center, Branson Express, Little Rock Zoo, Fort Worth, Texas. This is a bull. There's another Fort Worth, Texas. This is a train. Fort Worth Stockyards, World Bird Sanctuary. I think that's all I got in here, but I have a few other hundred in Russellville.
Good on her. I want a big Buddha.
Oh, jinx. Should we get matching Buddhas?
Are we getting matching Buddhas?
Like, comment, subscribe.